Hello, my name is Krzysztof. I will be a speaker on the Data Engineering stage on Data Innovation Summit 2022. I would like to take this opportunity to introduce the motivation of my presentation titled Data Mesh with AWS CDK. I have a background in software engineering and I'm mostly driven by technical challenges and trying new approaches. I found data engineering combined with cloud computing to be a great setting to match those. There are often days with new problems and many tools and paths to explore before arriving at good solutions. The main motivation for the topic of my talk is the shift that is gradually happening in the data platform architecture of going towards decentralization. It is known as data mesh. One of its main advantages is that it is bringing data close to where the domain experts knowing it are available. The main challenge is that it is harder to implement. And that's why it is an interesting area to explore for me as an engineer. My goal is to deliver a practical session on how the implementation of data mesh in the context of cloud-based environment can be facilitated using infrastructure as code approach. Here, the examples will be based on AWS Cloud and specifically an open source library called AWS CDK. If that sounds interesting, join my session on Data Innovation Summit 2022 in May.